Welcome to our YouTube video series on law school for prospective law school students and students already in law school. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal, and in this particular YouTube video we will be looking at some 15 points that are designed to help and assist you in succeeding in law school. Point number 1, do your assigned readings and brief your legal cases. You're only going to grasp the facts if you actually do the core work, and that comes through reading the materials and working through the cases and understanding the logic behind stuff. You can glean this from notes, but you only grasp it through the reading. Number 2, prepare in advance of class so that you identify the important details beforehand, and the more important and more critical points that the professor is trying to communicate in your particular class, since you already know the core basis. If you're coming into it cold and have to just come to grasp with core aspects, you're going to miss the critical minutia or important aspects that the professor is focusing on and drawing your attention to. Number 3, pay attention in class and attend class so you understand what the emphasis of your professor is. This only comes through attendance in class and attention. Number 4, take notes while in class, but also participate so that you can assess whether or not you are on the same wavelength as your professor. If your professor is telling you that you're way off, then you know you're way off. If you know you're grasping a subject, applaud yourself briefly and then continue focusing on what the professor has to say. Number 5, pay attention to the professor's feedback. Not only the feedback he provides to yourself, but the feedback he provides to the other students. That way you understand better the direction he is aiming to be going in. Number 6, investigate your professors. Find out about their priorities, their marking schemes, their preferences, their personal disposition. You want to be, as I say, on the same wavelength as a professor so you can maximize your outputs and therefore increase your marking. Number 7, prepare and continually refine your own course outline. You might have other course lines, but really a great tool for understanding where your course is going and preparing for exams is to develop a solid, strong course outline of your own. You'll also probably be using that very much in your law bar exam preparations. Number 8, participate in the right study groups. You'll be surprised at what other innovative students know and are able to get their hands on. You'll be able to test yourself, find out ways that you can improve, and where you can gain access to information that you alone might not have thought of or had the means to get access to. Number 9, review. Lots of review. Review your notes, review the materials, review past tests, both on your own and in structured review sessions. When sessions are available to yourself, take advantage of them. Number 10, develop your own structured study plan, which puts sufficient time in your weaknesses and less favorable topics while providing appropriate recovery time. You want to hit on those aspects that are good for you, but also those ones that are problematic so they become better and you're not challenged when you're in the exam. Number 11, start your papers well in advance with a scheduled plan of attack. You want to provide yourself with sufficient time to overcome the potential for writer's block. And you want to have sufficient time also to redraft it, even to start from scratch, which you're not going to find if you wait till the last minute. Number 12, do lots of practice exams and understand the strengths and weaknesses of your practice responses. Number 13. After your actual exams, review your answers so that you can ascertain where overall improvements can be realized. Number 14. Don't stress yourself out by the competition of law school. It's self-destructive. Yes, there may well be other students that excel or claim they excel more than yourself, but don't let that hinder you. You are your own person, and you're only going to succeed if you have confidence in yourself. Number 15, seek out help when you are in need. With the proverbial slogan, the sooner the better, being extremely apt in this circumstance, given that seeking out help is something that you will find lots of help available to yourself, and it will relieve your stress immensely. Well, hopefully those 15 tips will provide some insights to allow you to better excel in law school as you move forward. I wish you all the best, and if you found this YouTube video beneficial, please like it, and also press the subscribe button so it is shared out and you're informed of future videos that we're going to be preparing and providing everyone on law school and succeeding in law school and beyond in your legal career. Thank you.